Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be a mini birthday vlog and a DIY tutorial. So fortunately on my kiddo's birthday, I was at my mom's place. So initially we thought of having a simple cake cutting ceremony. But then just 2 days before his birthday, my kid randomly told me that Mama, I like red cars. So there clicked the idea of keeping a car themed birthday for him as he likes cars a lot. So the main challenge was I was having not a single craft material available with me, as all the materials I had was there at back home. So I quickly made a chart of the theme I was imagining in my mind, like how the background will be, how everything is going to be. So I arranged all the materials, few from stationery store, some from cake shop, and some from the clutter lying at our home. Now let's start with the tutorial. So I had this waste Nika box lying around. So I decided to make a signal out of it. So I'm cutting it as per the desired shape. Now I'm gonna cover this entire box with the black chart paper. Now with the colored chart paper I am going to make traffic lights. Now to give it more realistic look, I am going to make the top of the traffic light. This step is completely optional, you can leave it like that only. So here my dad is helping me in sticking the covering of the traffic lights, as I was not able to stick them neatly. Here the traffic signal is ready. So next I'm making is the base of the traffic signal. You can keep the signal like that itself, but my box was not that sturdy, hence I had to make a base to keep it straight. Also here I am using black spray paint to cover the box as I was running out of the chart paper. So I made this freehand drawing of 3, cut it in the shape, and I'm going to stick white chart paper to give a road effect. Next I have taken few printout of these cars. You'll get thousands of varieties of cars on internet. So what I have done is I have taken printout in different shapes and sizes. So these are black chart paper cuttings in which I am going to write something related to cars and all. So next I am going to cut my chart paper to make a road. So here, just like the 3 structure, we are going to put white chart paper to make it look like a road. I got this happy birthday banner from a cake shop which was going with my theme. So with the help of the ribbon which was provided along with this banner, I am going to arrange it. So we have blown these balloons with the help of manual pump, which was very exhausting, but if you have an electric pump, the work is going to be very easy. So here my dad is tying 2 balloons together, which really requires skills, but you can also tie both the balloons together with the help of a thread. So here basically we are trying to entangle like 2 balloons together. I too tried entangling the balloon, which was really easy. It might look difficult, but you just have to keep rotating the same balloon twice. So here we are not going to make an arch out of balloons because blowing the balloons manually was really exhausting. So we are just going to make a single line of balloons. So with the help of the curling ribbon, my dad is just inserting the balloons in the ribbon. So here our balloons are ready. So after this is done, we have left the curling ribbon on both the sides to tie them on the wall or nail, or you can attach it with the help of a cello tape. So just look at our birthday boy. It's 8 p.m. and he's still sleeping and he has zero idea what is going on. And my dad and me both are busy in doing the preparations. So I'm going to use these Fevicol glue drops to attach the car printouts and the number 3. I have these two stools and I'm going to keep them together, and then I'm going to cover them with the help of red cloth. Here I have arranged the black chart paper and I have kept my kiddos' small toys, small cars on it, and you can see in the video he himself is arranging all those cars. My dad is giving the final touch up to the setup. He's keeping small stones on the sides of the road to make it more realistic. So here is the final outcome, and a few of the balloons got busted in the process, so please ignore them and let me know how this setup is looking. And please don't forget to watch this video till the end. The birthday boy has some surprise for you all, so please watch it till the end. And also, if you like our video, please like it. If you have any suggestion, comments, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.